Hello, this is Darin Martineau with Master Magic University. And in this new product, this is called Mentalism Secrets Volume 6. You're going to learn 26 incredible mentalism routines. Includes 5 book tests. You're going to learn um, incredible book tests. You're going to learn the Hoy book test, the Transcendental book test by Richard Himber. You're going to learn my original book penetration and prediction. You're going to learn my original, the quadruple prediction book test. Um, this also includes 4 ebooks on mentalism and magic here. 4 bonus ebooks. How to Develop Style ebook by that's one of my books. Magic Act Checklist. You're going to get Pro Magic Tips ebook, and you're going to get Mentalism and Magic Routines. One of my books that I've written, and it's got altogether, this has 26 incredible mentalism routines. You're going to learn the Half a Miracle prediction card, Apocalypse, which is a super visual bending paperclip. It's a metal bending routine. You're going to learn the birthday prediction. You're going to learn lots of incredible things with the invisible deck, the torn sword, napkin and paper balls, new lie detector, a whole bunch of invisible deck miracles. You're going to learn Overkill, which is created by Alan Ackerman and Ed Marlowe. You're going to learn New Do As I Do, um, all kinds of forces, the Impossible Double prediction, the movie prediction, and pro magic tips, and much more. So get ready to amaze and fool audiences now.